You start?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm not worrying about color. I'm just making a single strand for now. Well, I guess I am trying to alternate the colors. And remember, I'm doing them with fake nail, which makes it a little bit more difficult to work with. Which girls don't have that issue. I wrote my sleeves for that one. Okay, last one on here. Okay, then I turn it around. Okay, then I hook, and I put it on this one, and then hook, and I pull it over here, and you just keep doing this, pulling from underneath and hooking it back on. Now I'll pick up the red and hook it over here. I know it's a little monotonous because I have to do each one. Okay, just making sure it's on the hook. I'm holding the loom. No issues with the rubber bands popping off. Just have to get it out of the hook sometimes. But that's what happen with any hook, because the point is, it's supposed to hook the rubber band. Okay? And if you just push the hook down, it releases the band. When I do that, see? Almost done, nearing the end. Grab this red one, hook it on, pull the blue one. And I'm really basically just holding the loom still, which you would have to hold any loom still if you were working with it, unless it had something to keep it stuck to the table. Okay. Okay. Last one. Okay. Okay. And then I am going to put the hook through. So I have a rubber band that's going to go through, and I'm just going to make a simple end to be able to grab it. And now I'm going to take the bracelet off the loom. You see? Just unhooking them. They're all hooked together. And then I can easily put in one of our S hooks, which then would connect the bracelet. See? Simple.